Hey YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. I just noticed something pretty cool with the Edge browser on a Windows machine, and let me show you. So I'm going to open up my Edge browser here, and let's say I search for VS Code. Okay, and we see right here we have this button, Get from Microsoft Store. So if you're having trouble finding it on the Microsoft Store, which I was when I originally got this computer, you can just go here, search in Edge, and then I'm going to click on this. It's going to open up the Microsoft Store here, and I can click install. And it shows me that VS Code is installed. So if I close up the Microsoft Store here, open this up, and I can see under the recently added, if I don't see it, I would search for it here, but I'm going to click on this and open it twice. Actually, I clicked too many times. Now I can just pin it to my taskbar, and I've got VS Code installed and ready to go. Thought I'd share that cool little tip with you. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you.